How to make coffee milkshake. Making a coffee milkshake is a delightful way to combine the rich flavors of coffee with the creaminess of a milkshake. Here's a simple and delicious recipe for you. Coffee milkshake recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup strong brewed coffee, chilled. You can use your favorite coffee blend, and you can also use decaffeinated coffee if you prefer. 1 cup vanilla ice cream. 1/2 cup milk. You can use regular milk, almond milk, soy milk, or any milk of your choice. 1-2 tablespoons sugar or sweetener. Adjust to your preferred sweetness. Whipped cream, optional, for topping. Chocolate syrup or cocoa powder, optional, for topping. Instructions: brew a cup of strong coffee and let it chill in the refrigerator until it's cold. In a blender, add the chilled coffee, vanilla ice cream, milk, and sugar or sweetener. If you prefer a thicker shake, you can also add a few ice cubes to the blender. Blend all the ingredients until you get a smooth and creamy mixture. Taste the coffee milkshake and add more sugar or sweetener if needed, depending on your sweetness preference. Pour the coffee milkshake into glasses. If desired, top the milkshake with whipped cream and drizzle chocolate syrup or sprinkle cocoa powder on top for an extra indulgence. Serve the coffee milkshake immediately and enjoy the delicious coffee flavor with the creaminess of the milkshake. Feel free to get creative and add other ingredients like a dash of cinnamon or a scoop of coffee ice cream to enhance the flavor further. Enjoy your refreshing and energizing coffee milkshake.